How to replace a Toyota CHR rear hub. Today, I stand before you to discuss an essential component of the Toyota CHR, the rear hub unit. This unit plays a crucial role in the vehicle's performance and safety, and understanding its function is vital for every Toyota CHR owner. The rear hub unit is a part of the vehicle's suspension system, connecting the wheel to the vehicle's body. It houses the wheel bearings, which allow the wheel to rotate smoothly and with minimal friction. This is crucial for maintaining control and stability, especially during high-speed driving or when carrying heavy loads. Over time, the rear hub unit can wear out due to constant use and exposure to the elements. When this happens, it can lead to a variety of issues, including increased noise, vibration, and reduced handling. In some cases, a worn-out rear hub unit can even lead to a loss of control, putting the driver and passengers at risk. To address these issues, it's important to replace the rear hub unit as soon as possible. This is a relatively straightforward process that can be done by a qualified mechanic. By replacing the rear hub unit, you can restore your Toyota CHR's performance and safety, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience for years to come. In conclusion, the rear hub unit is a critical component of the Toyota CHR, and understanding its function and importance is essential for every owner. By replacing the rear hub unit when necessary, you can ensure your vehicle's performance and safety, providing peace of mind on the road. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe.